What's going on, guys? I bring to you the biggest money waster possible, the 2080 Ti Kingpin edition, featuring an OLED display which shows all kinds of things in terms of temperature, voltage, fan speeds, radiator fan speeds. This is currently the biggest money waster possible when it comes to 2080 Ti. I'm running an i9-9800K CPU, being cooled by a Corsair H115i Pro. The Kingpin does feature a 240mm radiator, which I mounted in the front as an intake. Running an EVGA 850 watt power supply. And as you can see, it's a pretty filled up case. I mean, everything is pretty much top notch when it comes to specs. 16GB g.skill DDR4 RAM, PC 3400 with really good RAM timings. I'll post the full rig specs in the information on this video. And yeah, so this is it. This is the Kingpin, the biggest money waster possible. So I will show you initial benchmark scores, and then I will show you the power draw during 3D Mark Timespy. So this is about it. So give you a full look of this beast of a card, featuring 3 PCI Express power connectors. Probably hard to see, but it's a pretty beastly card. I'm running on the stock BIOS. I have not messed with the overclock BIOS, nor have I flashed it, but that's pretty much it. So the biggest money waster possible, the 2080 Ti Kingpin edition. What a hunk of junk. Anyways, guys, I'll show you initial benchmark numbers, and again, this is it, the 2080 Ti Kingpin. Peace out, and I'll see you guys around. On, guys, running Timespy. As you can see, some nice overclock settings, running at 2205 MHz core. Fans are all at 100%, and as you can see, the GPU, once it gets up to operating temperature, gets up to about 48 to 50 degrees Celsius. But yeah, there she is, the 2080 Ti Kingpin edition. Truly a beast of a card. And so after this, I will show you the full benchmark numbers and show you where I'm at in terms of scores. So I'll see you guys pretty soon. Okay, guys, so this was my current overclock settings for the benchmark scores I will show you, which I did in the past. And in GPU-Z, I will show you where the clocks are set up at. Of course, boost goes up to 2000, up to over 2000 megahertz, up to 2200 megahertz. But that's where that currently sits, and the CPU was at 5 gigahertz even. So these are the scores, just to show you where I was. So 3D Mark Fire Strike, 30,286, pretty good score. Again, CPU just at 5 gigahertz, but pretty hefty score. There is more overclock room, but that's just where I'm at. Port Royal 10,030, which I'm pretty happy with, pretty reasonable score. And then Timespy 15,863, and of course I'm still capable of more, but just with a mild overclock of the CPU and GPU with still some more headroom. So that's it. That's pretty much the current settings, and I will go back to showing you the rig. So give me 1 second. Hey guys, so before I close out the video showing the rig again, I will show the unboxing pictures I took of the 2080 Ti Kingpin. So there's the box. It's a huge box. I mean, if you think the regular RTX box is huge, this box is massive. And so it's a box instead of another box. There's the back of the Kingpin card, OLED display. The display connectors all have protective covers, which is kind of nice, as some of the RTX cards I noticed did not have that. 3-pin PCI Express connectors. There's the radiator. Of course, the card with VRM copper heat sinks, along with the water pump being copper as well. So it's a beautiful card, and the 240mm radiator, which keeps things very cool for the most part and very quiet. And the 3-pin PCI Express connectors. And there it is, the card installed in my rig. And yeah, so that's about it. It's a beast of a card, so thanks for watching. So I guess that about wraps it up, guys. There she is, the 2080 Ti Kingpin edition. The most powerful card on the market. We'll see how long that lasts. But yeah, I just want to give you a quick overview on this graphics card, and just a brief little overview of what it's capable of. And it runs so cool. It's totally silent. I mean, you don't even hear it, of course, at idle. It's just basically dead silent. Of course, the VRM fan doesn't spin during idle. So yeah, there she has, a beast of a card. So 2080 Ti Kingpin edition, the ultimate graphics card by EVGA. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.